Tonight we're changing the transmission cooler lines on a 2016 GMC Sierra. There's the lines. They were leaking right in these crimps there. Both these crimps are leaking. There's the skid pan. That's how bad it leaked. Not too much just driving around town, but once you go out on the highway for any amount of time, they leak like crazy. Very easy to do though. I thought it was just going to be a nightmare, but it's not bad at all. Oh, there's a line. I don't know if you can see my finger there. Right below my hand, there's one line. And if you come to the passenger side of the truck, this is the other line right here. This is at the top of the rad on the passenger side and bottom of the rad on the driver's side. There's a little, all you do, I'll show you on this side. All you do to get them off is pretty easy. As soon as I figure out how to get this phone in here, I'll get my hand in there. They put little plastic clips. There, I'll show you on this line. Okay, so there's these little plastic clips. This slides into the rad, and there's a little clip that holds this in place. And this little plastic piece, come on, can't do it one-handed here. There we go. This little plastic piece slides over that to hold that little clip in. So all you do is pop this back, take that clip off, make sure your floor is really, really clean, because if you drop that clip, you're gonna have a hard time finding it if it's dirty like mine. And if you go underneath, jack it up safely like I did, not going nowhere. On what side are we on here? Where was I? I was just finished this. Driver's side. There's where it goes into the transmission. Just one bolt and it comes up, pops off. You pull them off, let it hang on this side and let it drain out. I made a fucking absolute mess. I got oil all over the place because I pulled the top off and I pulled the bottom off and I never let it drain. Those lines run through there. You gotta watch all your wiring. It's pretty tight in there for running two lines that have 90s in them. And then here's the two lines here. Where's my hand? Here it is. These two lines. This one goes over to your driver's side, and this one goes up into there on your passenger side. And there's the other. Come on, cooperate. I'm not good at filming. I'm practicing. But yeah, got oil absolutely everywhere. Now I just gotta wash that stump pan off and put it back on. And that should be about it. But anyway, I figured just share that with you guys. I'm gonna try and get out of here. All right, about 4 o'clock on Sunday afternoon here. Just went and loaded the tractor. Get it out of here. We're supposed to get a big snowstorm starting Friday. So I work all week at my normal job, and they're talking 11 inches of snow. I don't know if we'll get it or not, but I don't want to come out here Friday night and deal with all this stuff, so I figured I'd just come out here today and get it. It's like +4 here today. Sure melted. I had a nice base, but needed a tractor, so can fix it up later. Hopefully get all that snow. There's lots of grass showing, lots of mud. It's going to be pretty rough in here. Loaded the tractor right to the very front so I get some traction on the truck. This was solid yesterday. Yeah, yesterday I come and finished clearing snow, pushing trees around and just cleaning up. I didn't really videotape any of that. Didn't seem like anybody was interested in a plowing snow video, so it's going to get more exciting. Riding a lot better and moving through this stuff a lot better with that tractor on there. Well, that tree stayed. Oh yeah, it's daylight savings time today too. That really messed me up this morning. I don't know why they just don't get away from that. Like Saskatchewan, they don't have daylight saving times. Now it's going to be 11 o'clock at night and I won't be sleeping till midnight. Oh well, I get used to it. Soft there. I'm really making a mess of this. Oh well, it's supposed to get cold throughout the week. Not really cold, but enough from it, keep it from melting. I think Saturday's supposed to be -7 or something. Yeah, I left lots of snow and I'm sure glad I did, or else this would have just been mud. Nice with the The snow's so soft now, you can drive just about anywhere. Just fly right through it. And it's not that deep anymore. It went from like a foot or 16 inches to 8 or 10 inches now. There we go. Got her out. Right up at the road here now. I'm gonna check these chains. It bounces around quite a bit. Oh yeah, they're still good. Tire a little bit low. That's fine. Oh yeah, they're good. All right. Yeah. Oh, here's better. Really warming up. This is hard ground though, so it's just slop on the top. Get this gate open so I can get out of here. There we go. Still lots of people out on the ice over there. Oh yeah, there's lots. Alright, well, I had supper. Too lazy to do anything. I was going to unload the tractor, but I'm not going to do that. I just fueled up my other truck here. Because I have to drive to Winnipeg for 5 days this week. Unfortunately. Here we go. The yard's actually pretty full. That's where that tractor stayed. Little picker trailers, a couple lengths of square tubing I bought. Sitting on that, I just unloaded it. Some barrels. I'm gonna get a local fuel company to come fill them up. So I have lots of fuel. But anyways, that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching. Like and share and subscribe if you like. But other than that, see you on the next one.